Hi everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about another amazing performance and song by Diana Ankudinova. It's the newest song as far as I know, Happiness. I'm a little bit sorry because there is no obviously live version. It's a video clip, but I still wanted to make a video about that because I am always curious what she can give us and what she can show. So let's do the song and let's listen to the song, and then after that I'm going to talk.
Мы умеем многое прощать, только с каждым разом тяжелей понимать, как заново дышать и идти вперед еще быстрей. Обжигает воздуха глоток, жажда кислорода все сильнее. Ты меня понять, увы, не смог, значит, не смогла я стать твоей. А небо не молчит и плачет, мы просто не смогли иначе. Нам предстоит найти свое счастье, не заменив его страстью. А небо не молчит и плачет, мы просто не смогли иначе. Нам предстоит найти свое счастье и для кого-то стать его частью.
Okay, many things here. I love to listen those type of singers who make me think and make me feel and make me remember, make me think about certain memories that I tried to suppress. Could be intentional or not intentional, but obviously when something bad things happen to us, it's rare when we can move on with fully and properly forgive and let go. Most of the time, unfortunately, we keep this inside, and these little scars are staying inside our body. And interesting, actually, I in the song I choose the subtitle to at least understand what's the song about, and it's called Happiness. I understand that, but still, I wanted to hear her words, what she's singing about, and anytime she sings, she's so. I like the content. I like the lyrics because it's not something stupid, like a one summer hit. What she sings about is quite deep and serious, and I love that, and I think we need that. The world needs that, and people are starving for this kind of energy, this kind of quality of artists and singers. And I don't know if that's the actual lyrics, but when she says like the sky is not silent, it's very, very interesting, because yesterday evening I was sitting on my terrace and I was just looking up to the sky, and I was starving for silence. I wanted to sit outside and I just wanted silence. And it's, they say that many people don't like to be in silence, because whenever we are in silence, that we start to hear our demons, and which means, if you don't know what I mean, that we don't want to hear certain things, we don't want to hear certain thoughts, we don't want to feel certain feelings, because we don't want to face with that. And when we are in silence, you cannot run, you cannot hide. You will hear, you will feel. And it's interesting because silence is supposed to be, silence. And still, when you are in silence, you hear everything. Silence is not silent. In real silence, you hear what you need to hear. Anyway, let's carry on.
Долго мы бродили в темноте, привыкая к тишине ночей. Только не привыкли к пустоте и к сквознякам распахнутых дверей. Не сможем ни исправить, ни забыть, друг друга слишком сильно обожгли. Мы заново научим сердце жить и заново откроем мир любви. А небо не молчит и плачет, мы просто не смогли иначе. Нам предстоит найти свое счастье, не заменив его страстью. А небо не молчит и плачет, мы просто не смогли иначе. Нам предстоит найти свое счастье и для кого-то стать его частью. Стать его частью. А небо не молчит, а небо не молчит, а небо не молчит. А небо не молчит и плачет, мы просто не смогли иначе. Нам предстоит найти свое счастье, не заменив его страстью.
Vocally, it's just mesmerizing. That's the word I could actually use. I love when she uses this beautiful breaks between two registers when she changes from chest to head, chest to falsetto. I love the way she sings. I love the style. I really like that kind of gentleness that she brings. However, she has this kind of rich, low tone. And I like that she can be so gentle. She can be so feminine, and it's, well, she's beautiful. And that feminine, this feminine energy obviously doesn't come from the hair, comes from the face. It comes from inside. And she has the strength. When I watch some of her live performances, she is a very strong woman, I can tell. But at the same time, she knows how to be gentle. She knows how to be a woman. She knows how to be feminine. And it's very, very important. We all have, even whether we are woman or man, we all have feminine and masculine side. But we need to find the balance always. We cannot be carried away that we are the strong Amazon. No, because we need to know how to be a woman as well. This song, what it's about, it's deep. It's very deep, and I'm so happy that there are singers, more and more singers, sing about this topic, about happiness, and we need to find our own happiness. Happiness doesn't depend on any kind of external thing. We have to find inside. That's always going to be inside, and it's wonderful. I'm very, very happy and pleased that there are singers like this who sings about this, and I can't wait actually the more and more songs that she does. Thank you very much actually for again recommending her. I really, really appreciate that. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or any new recommendations, please post below the video. I am more than open than happy to do. Yes, so I will see you in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye. If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations, And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video, so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much and see you soon.